Can you feel it? The pulse of the wires, electric rhythm.